Tell me about your journey with BU.
I feel like today is a graduation day for me, to be honest, when it comes to the journey with BU, because it's been more than 15 months overall.
Yeah.
So I've lost track of time. It's been
It's
so
18
long.
18 months.
Okay. So I think overall the journey has been so overwhelming, so calming, so challenging, and at the same time so relaxing. So there has been a lot of feelings involved when it comes to the transformation, when it comes to how I see myself. And I've always felt there were a lot of things hidden inside me, because I've seen that in my childhood, I've seen that in various phases of my life, but I was not able to comprehend, like, am I that person, am I this person, who am I? Like, you have been asking me for the longest time, like, who are you, Akash, who are you? And I was like, why, how can I make this answer, or what's the best answer? So then I realized there is no best answer. Like, I have all the things that is already there deep inside me. All it takes is to heal different parts which has been blocking those energies. And that is where I think so that the journey with BU has been so calming and so relaxing at the same time, that I could process when I trusted this, I could process. It's been so long, and it has been so good.
Tell me where all we worked upon, like your best thing that we worked upon, or what all points you remember.
So I feel so there were a lot of things that we worked on when it comes to personal life, about my emotions, about what's stopping me from achieving my goals. I'm low, like, I know this is my goal, ये मेरा goal है, जब पता है क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. And when I'm such, like, I've been telling myself, and I know that I'm a hardworking person, I'm not a lazy person, but still नहीं हो रहा है, क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? So then I realized that it's the self-talk, it's the mind talking to yourself. When you know that this is the end goal, you know how to achieve also. If you don't know how, but you know your what and why, still you're not able to do. Because there were a lot of challenges, or when you are going ahead, so there are deeper walls pushing you, because you have not worked on things which are stopping. So पर्सनली बहुत इमोशंस पे काम करना, बिजनेस में क्या क्या गोल्स है उस पे हाईलाइट करना, उसको स्ट्रैटेजिकली बनाना, क्वाड्रेंट अप्रोचेस बनाना कि हाउ टू प्लान योर डे, हाउ टू प्लान योर मंथ. आई एम सच अ, लाइक, प्लानिंग्स तो मुझे इतनी अच्छी लगती है, बट एग्जीक्यूशन इज व्हाट आई वाज लैकिंग. एंड व्हेन आई गॉट द सिस्टम, आई फील सो with personal life, with professional business, with my overall image, personality, I became more expressive. I started being more expressive when I was hiding my emotions previously. So this is where it kind of brought the best out of me, which I felt like, where was this person? I had seen this person 5 years ago, 7 years ago, but now I kind of embodied it. It wasn't like it's there just for a phase. Because challenges तो life में हर time कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा. But how you bounce back, how you cope up, and how you not take everything seriously is what matters. Because क्या होता है ना कि time आप दे रहे हो कि मुझे ये चीज़ करनी है इतने time में, और नहीं हो रहा है, तो you become very sad about it or start overthinking about that. That is where I realized कि उसको momentum में करने दो, अपने साथ flow करो, flow करते रहो, and then you see the result. So result है ना, ऐसे वर्क करता है प्रोग्रेस. जैसे इट्स लाइक वाटरिंग द प्लांट. पहले तो सीड्स हैं, सीड्स में पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है, एंड देन इफ यू स्टॉप वाटरिंग, वो अपने आप डाई आउट हो जाएगा. बट इफ यू कीप वाटरिंग एंड हैव दैट पेशेंस, तो धीरे धीरे वो आपको लीव्स दिखेंगे, धीरे धीरे फिर बाद में उसका वो पूरा ट्रंक आएगी, उसकी फाउंडेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग बनेगी. एंड देन when you start seeing the fruits at the end of the day, that's where you realize कि हाँ, उसमें वाटर करना क्यों ज़रूरी था. इंसान क्या होता है ना, मतलब ऐसे सोचता है कि मुझे सिर्फ फ्रूट्स चाहिए, आम खाओ गुठली नहीं गिनना है, मतलब ये कहावत है. विच इज़ वेयर आई थिंक आई वर्कड माई सेल्फ. फाउंडेशन आपकी स्ट्रॉन्ग करो, आपकी गोल सेटिंग का विजन स्ट्रॉन्ग करो. बोलते हैं ना, इतना पैसा कमाना है, क्यों कमाना है, क्या है, मतलब वो फाउंडेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग होनी चाहिए. वॉट एवर गोल्स यू हैव इन माइंड. एंड नाउ दैट वी आर just there for 2026. So I feel so that where I was in 2024 ending and where I am at 2025 ending, it's a 360-degree vast shift. And I can see that while talking to people, people are coming to me and they are saying some things which is like, okay. So it's taking time to digest, but now, it used to take time to digest. Now I feel so that, yeah, it's the vibration, it's the aura which has kind of become such.
Is it worth to invest in self, like taking all these therapies or sessions or whatever you say, but is it worth?
100% right now, especially in these times where digital, you are crowded, over flooded with a lot of information, content and everything. You start chasing external realities without knowing your inner self. If you don't know your inner self, I was reading this book, The Greatest Secret by Rhonda.
Yeah.
This book said these clear things so our reality, our external realities begin from our inner shifts. So whatever we are inside, who we are inside is what will reflect outside. It's not the other way around.
Yeah.
कि एक्सटर्नली आप ऐसे दिख रहे हो या एक्सटर्नली आप ये सोच रहे हो, आप ये मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हो, बट इंटरनली आप क्या सोच रहे हो, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. So this is where I feel so that investing in yourself, self development, personal development is the need of the hour. हम लोग इतने ओवर फ्लडेड है, आज की जनरेशन स्पेशली इतनी ओवर फ्लडेड है सिंस 2020 जब से रील्स आई हैं. सो एवरीवन वांट्स एक्सटर्नल वैलिडेशन इन सम वे और द अदर. सोशल मीडिया पे आपको अपनी लाइफ कुछ उस तरीके से पोर्ट्रे करनी है, पर्सनली आप शायद कहीं ना कहीं कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ कर रहे हो, आपको लाइफ कैसे जीनी है. सो दिस इज़ वेयर आई फील सो दैट if you start working on your foundation, if you know your what and why, your how will start showing up. हाउ के पीछे बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस ना करके व्हाट एंड वाई अपना क्लियर कर लो. सो थेरेपी बोलो, इसको इम्प्रूवमेंट बोलो, पर्सनल वर्क बोलो, सेल्फ वर्क बोलो, बिकॉज आई थिंक सो देर इज अ स्टिग्मा व्हेन इट कम्स टू थेरेपी. व्हेन पीपल हियर दिस वर्ड दे फील लाइक यार इसके साथ तो कुछ गलत चल रहा है, इसकी लाइफ में ऐसा चल रहा है, वो चल रहा है. इनफैक्ट सबकी लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा है. It just takes, like, I feel so, those who work on themselves, they are being so vulnerable and they want to get out of it. Yes. And out of 100 of us, all of us, like 90-95 people are facing something or the other, but they are kind of shy that, you know, if this person would know, will he or she keep my secret? So there are a lot of those things, especially in Indian society. When you go outside India, when you read of various authors or various healers, they have people which has accepted it as the norm.
Yeah.
Now
it's just like here, people are still not accepting therapy as a part.
I think it also is a important part is of the upbringing, the childhood. It's the society, the societal pressure, peer pressure, what he's gonna say, what he's gonna think. यार कहीं उसको पता चल गया मेरे बारे में कि मैं यहाँ ऐसा हूँ तो मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगा. So ये सब है ना, हम हमारे माइंड में थॉट्स बना लेते हैं कि व्हाट विल ही शी थिंक अबाउट मी.
पीपल आर लाइक मेंटली कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा कोई थेरेपी लो, वरना नथिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड. हाँ. Coming to the image part, we worked on your outer image as well when it was time. How it helped you?
So the image personality or the image transformation actually helped me, especially in my business settings. So I wanted that for my business clients. I have major of my clients who come via phone calls. So very less physical interactions have happened. But this year, when we changed our business model, when I started visiting a lot of exhibitions, when the visibility was required, when I had to meet clients for conversions or for setting up a new appointments, who's a builder or a reputed client, and I want him to feel in a certain way about like what is Akash bringing to the table. So that's where the dressing up, that's where the feeling. So when you start dressing up and when you are simultaneously working on your inner self, you see the shift. It's not gonna just happen working on yourself, and it's not just gonna happen if you're just dressing up enough, but deep inside you feel hollow or you have not worked on yourself. So when I was doing that, I did not had to prove anything to anyone, and I was just being very candid and professional at the same time. There was a vibe matching, there was a feeling that I belong here. The client also felt like there is something about this person. So it's it's the vibration that you exchange when you meet. So especially when someone who has to be visible for personal, for work, or for any of the reasons where you have to be there, like you cannot be home all the time. So image, personality, image transformation does help when you start identifying what. So I remember the journey when we began this. I was like, I have to go here, can you do this within a week? And he was like, Akash, be patient, takes time. And I was like, okay, because there were a lot of forms that I had to fill, like how do you analyze yourself, how do you want to be perceived when it comes to these situations, or what are your traits. So I was answering everything, and then we realized that why it was so important. Because if you don't work at the deeper levels, then you would start missing out on something. Because what happens आज की डेट में तो ये सेलिब्रिटी ने, अरे इसने कार्तिक आर्यन ने ये मूवी में ये पहना है, मुझे भी ये पहनना है, इस हीरो ने ये पहना है या इस हीरोइन ने ये पहना है, मुझे भी ये पहना है. बट व्हाट इफ the message that you want to convey, where you are going, is it a business meeting, is it a personal meeting, or is it just a family gathering, is it a traditional setup? So that is where we need to draw the boundaries, and that is where once you start investing in your wardrobe, then there is no looking back. You want to kind of upgrade it every time because you see the results.
I remember like यहाँ पे हूँ now, whether I should buy this or this or this, and I'm like, okay, we are just buying this much, not everything which is available. You're like, can I buy this? I'm like, no, we are just buying one, and that will work.
Which comes to, so this was I was about to say about this. I need it for my next I need it for these situations and these things, because we worked on many professional outings, but then there were some things which we left, and I think so that is where this year I also want to start focusing and start getting more towards that. So glad I remember it and I reminded you this.
About your favorite phase that I've heard, Here and Now, that we started, I think, before 6-8 months. And you were like, what is this? Why are you telling me here and now? Just breathe. Pause and breathe. Can you emphasize more on that here and now activity now we have experienced that here and now often at business place, even in your relations? How about that?
So I realized the significance of here and now, especially right now when I'm talking to you. I am fully present here. I'm not thinking about मेरे क्लाइंट का फ़ोन आ जाएगा या फिर मेरे को उसको रिप्लाई करना है, वो करना है. मतलब देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, बिकॉज आवर माइंड, इफ यू स्टार्ट कंट्रोलिंग योर माइंड एंड यू स्टार्ट गिविंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस वट एवर इज हैपनिंग वेर एवर यू आर एंड यू फोकस देयर, so you'll give your 100% there. This is where I think so that I was so much distracted because I had so many goals. I am a very ambitious person and I realized कि हाँ goals होना अच्छी बात है, but सारी चीज़ अगर एक साथ अचीव नहीं हो रही है, so how you can do what you can do better, and this is where Here and Now helped. And whenever I was not in Here and Now, so for the next session I was like, this happened, and then you were like, Akash, I think Here and Now is missing. I was like, acha, because it takes time to analyze like what is Here and Now. And I realized for me, working on self is not just about like you mentoring me, you giving me solutions. It was more about me working on myself.
Yes.
This is where I realized that if I am just dependent on you, like I'm facing this is happening in my life, give me solutions, so this is never gonna end. So that is where I realized that reading about self-development, going for a meditation course, I opened my senses and I realized a lot of things simultaneously started working together. That is when I realized the importance of Here and Now. Because previously, when things were just like, being taught in a way, unless you don't experience why again and again repeated patterns are happening, this is where I realized that my morning routine and things like that, which have helped me to be present and be 100% productive. Because I remember when I do those activities or when I do these, like when I'm in the present, whatever I'm doing, wherever I are, if I'm there in the present and not thinking अभी मुझे यहाँ जाना है, अभी मुझे ये करना है, because दिन में हमें 10-15 काम करने होते हैं. Like for a businessman, for an entrepreneur, he has to manage this, that, everything, team manage करना है, clients करना है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें चलती है दिमाग में, बट द ओनली रिजल्ट इफ़ यू आर गोना बॉदर कि हाँ मुझे ये चीज़ करना है, प्लानिंग बहुत अच्छी है कि हाँ ये करना है, बट जब आप जो चीज़ कर रहे हो उसी चीज़ में अगर फोकस रहोगे देन ओनली यू विल सी द रिजल्ट. अदरवाइज यू विल ओवरवेलम योरसेल्फ, यू विल गेट बर्डन विथ आज मैंने 10 चीज़ें प्लान की, 2 ही हुई, 3 ही हुई, लाइक अगेन यू विल गो बैक इनटू दोज जोन्स. इवन इफ यू आर इन हियर एंड नाउ, 10 में से अगर 5 भी चीज़ें होंगी तो वो 5 चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी होंगी. देन यू विल रियलाइज जो 5 चीज़ें पेंडिंग रह गई वो शायद आपकी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं थी, या फिर वो डेलीगेट भी हो सकती थी, कोई और भी कर सकता था. So this is where here and now as an entrepreneur has helped me a lot to, even if I overplan, not get overwhelmed कि हाँ this has to be done. If it doesn't get done today, it can get done tomorrow. But whatever requires my attention requires my attention.
For the last time, can you tell me where we started from? Why you were here?
I was in this dilemma whether I should go on with the business, whatever I've been doing. I was not able to identify my image. Like what happened, I had associated my image with the business. Like बोलते हैं ना कि business को life बना लिया था, या उस तरीके से वो चीज़ें कर लेते हैं हम.
And how was your business during that time?
Yeah, so I think so that I was experiencing a lot of ups and downs. Like 1 year was really up, another year was down, then up, then down. So when I met you, when I got in touch with you, that was the time I was like यार बहुत हो गया, ये अप एंड डाउन नहीं चाहिए मुझे. आई शुड ईदर गेट आउट ऑफ इट और आई शुड नॉट डू बिजनेस, और व्हाट शुड आई डू. लाइक आई वाज इन दैट डिलेमा. माय बिजनेस वाज नॉट डूइंग सो वेल and I wanted to understand whether this is for me or something else is for me, or should I be doing something different, not business. This is where I realized that there were lot of things. Business was never the problem. Business was never the problem. It was just the thoughts, mindset about the situations, how things were happening, how a lot of inner stuff was there where I was not able to express, and holding on to a lot of things from the external realities. So this is where I think so it was impacting my business. But when I started working on myself, like जो भी चीज़ हमारे साथ लाइफ में हो रही है, मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि वो हमारी वजह से ही हो रही है. किसी ने कुछ भी किया, वो उसका बोल सकते हैं कि माध्यम बन गया, वो पार्ट बन गया, बट जो भी हमारी आउटर रियलिटी है वो हमारी वजह से हो रही है. And this is where I realized my relationship with money was not great.
And how the date with money helped you?
Oh, I've been reading a lot of I've been hearing a lot of reels on Instagram where people had said do this, do that. So I used to find it very childish, like write letters to money, date with money. Like okay, so once you started persisting, Akash, we should do this.
I remember we did it in April.
Yeah.
When it was again like, what am I doing? I'm not attracting any money, and that was like, chalo, date with money. And then something happened.
Yeah, I remember when I started respecting money, when I started money to flow in my life. बोलते हैं ना पूरी कायनात लग जाती है जब आप चीज़ों को अपने उस हिसाब से सिस्टम में डालते हो. तो आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड द राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी क्लिक्ड. सो दैट इज वेयर I remember I was so happy when I got that credit in my account. I was like, hey Krimali, this has happened, and I was like smiling on top of the world and like a child. So I felt that things work when you start working towards them. So that was my experience about 15-18 months before. And now to be honest, like I feel so that I have some other goals. Going ahead in 2026, I have some other goals. Like I am evolving. So whatever was happening in 24, 25 beginning, I am evolving. So I think so as a human, when we are having this spiritual experience, you start evolving from, बोलते रहे एक चैलेंज था पूरा हो गया, अब आपको यूनिवर्स शायद बड़ा चैलेंज देगा, उसके लिए आप रेडी रहना. आई रिमेंबर यू हैड टोल्ड मी दिस व्हेन one of my one of my client meetings were there, that be prepared, something or the other might again. And then I realized yes, and this is where my emotions started getting better out of me. कि हाँ ये चीज़ें part and parcel of life है, You cannot just be like कि हाँ मैंने ऐसा सोचा ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. प्लस माइनस थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर होगा, बट जिस हिसाब से आप जो ट्रैक पे हो, जो चीज़ें कर रहे हो, कंटिन्यू करते रहो, you'll start attracting a lot of better things in life.
Were the activities easy for you? Whatever I was giving after every session?
To be honest, I would say that I like to work on myself, and I've been there since 10 years of my life. I've been working on myself through various different things. So you brought the best out of me through those activities. Initially, it used to be like I used to ask you, by when should I give it to you? By when should I? So I was like कि हाँ मेरे पास 1 week है, मतलब मैं अभी थोड़ा बाद में करूँगा, अभी मुझे दूसरी चीज़ें करनी है. Now whenever I get an activity and now whenever there are some things, so I enjoy it in a way. Yes, it helps me to journal, it helps me to introspect what is happening.
Yeah, lately you are asking me, when are you sending me? Send me something. I'm like, yeah.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah.
Yeah. Anything for the viewers, like why they should go for self-work or for to be you or anything from your perspective?
I think so when we start trusting ourselves, in the sense that if something is wrong or something is not what we had aligned or thought, we deserve a chance कि हाँ एक try करते हैं. So when we start giving ourselves that chance कि हाँ मुझे मेरी life में ये चीज़ better करनी है, हो सकता है हमारी life में 10 चीज़ें हमें better करनी हो, but उसमें से कुछ 2 से 3 चीज़ें ऐसी हो सकती है जो बहुत ट्रबल कर रही है, या 2 से चीज़ें ऐसी हो सकती है if they are not even troubling but deep hidden inside. So कुछ ना कुछ हमारी लाइफ में ज़रूर ऐसा होता है. And when we start addressing those things, we realize how one thing is interconnected to everything else. So this is where I feel so that even if it looks a bit smaller thing for today, it can grow into a big massive thing if you don't address it quicker. Because जितने हम बड़े होते जाते हैं उतने हम और ज़्यादा लोगों के साथ सराउंड होते हैं, और मतलब एक्सटर्नली सब लोग हमारी इन्फॉर्मेशन इतना फ्लड करते हैं, इतनी चीज़ें हमें बताते जाते हैं. एवरीवन इज शेयरिंग वी शुड डू दिस, वी शुड डू दैट, बट दिस इज़ वेयर अ सर्टिफाइड प्रोफेशनल person who has a different kind of processes. It's not just one process we worked. I don't even know how many we worked. So this is where the expert help or the expertise comes in. Talking to a friend or sometimes even talking to a family might not feel easy, or even if it feels easy, it would be a short term or a temporary result.
I've heard people are telling me I've read so many books so I can heal myself. I'm listening to podcasts, but this experience brings something different.
Of course. See, everyone has a different kind of a personality. Some people would be very outgoing to talk, some people would engross themselves with just books or podcasts. It has to be a combination of both, and this is what I experienced in my personal journey. Once you start working on yourself and not just listening to things or reading those things, but experiencing those in your life. जब तक जो चीज़ आप रीड और पॉडकास्ट में पढ़ रहे हो ना, वो डिलेमा ही लगेगी जब तक आप खुद एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर रहे हो. बोलते हैं ना, जैसे कि कोई बोलता है कि पैसा कमाना इज नॉट द एंड गोल, एंड देन यू रीड अ कमेंट, उसने इतना कमा रखा है इसलिए वो बोल रहा है. सो एवरीवन हैज अ डिफरेंट रियलिटी. वो हर चीज़ में कहीं ना कहीं आप भी अपनी रियलिटी में अलग हो गए. किसी के लिए आज की डेट में पैसा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वो क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट? आप सिर्फ कोई लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी गुड बुक्स. आई हैव रेड अ लॉट ऑफ बुक्स. फॉर 2 years आई इनफैक्ट ड्रॉप्ड रीडिंग. आई वाज लाइक यार. सो कमिंग टू दिस योर क्वेश्चन, reading, listening to podcast, this feels like an external motivation. So internal motivation only happens when you work on yourself. या तो बुक्स में और पॉडकास्ट में जो लिखा हुआ है, अगर वो सारी चीज़ें आप करके अपनी लाइफ में कर रहे हो एक्सपीरियंस, तो यू आर वेल एंड गुड. बट यू हैव नॉट एबल टू, हाँ सिर्फ पढ़ ही रहे हो, आप सुन रहे हो, जॉगिंग कर रहे हो तब सुन रहे हो, यू आर नॉट इंट्रोस्पेक्टिंग और नॉट एनालाइजिंग, इज इट एक्चुअली हेल्पिंग. हाँ, आई रेड सो मेनी बुक्स, आई रेड.
I was like holding the mirror in front of you that कुछ भी हो रहा है, have that reflection of yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.